Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome. If you've already been here, welcome back. This channel is all about where I teach you all about e-commerce, starting your own boutique, investing, passive income, side hustles, mindset, you name it, I got you. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure to smash that subscribe button and leave a like on this video so you can get my eternal thankfulness for watching this video. So as you guys can read by the title, today I'm going to be revealing to you guys the top websites where you can start to build and sell on your online store for free. And no, I do not mean 14-day free trial free. I do not mean 3-month free trial free. I mean free. So if you want to know how to do that, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to this video so you're not missing any more important videos like this one. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first one that I want to tell you guys about is Weebly, and Weebly now I believe is called Square Ecommerce. The thing that really impressed me with Weebly is that you have unlimited product uploads, and the reason why this is so impressive is because a lot of websites, when they're putting you on the free plan, they usually limit you to 5 to 10 items that you can upload before you have to pay. I was very impressed with the product creation page. The fact that you can literally put in a SKU, you can put in the quantity, you can have different variations, different colors, sizes, upload as many pictures as you want is mind-blowing for a free plan. They literally give you all the features that Shopify has in their product creation pages, and you don't have to pay for this. So I don't know, I see the opportunity in it. Some of the other things that stood out to me is that they offer direct inventory management, which is also not included in a lot of other free plans. So what I mean by this is that it can track when your items are out of stock, it counts your inventory for you when somebody purchases, when a return is processed, and all that stuff. And so basically you don't have to go in and manually count things and manually put things in. So that really stood out to me as well. I actually went ahead and tried to create a website on my own here and saw what the plan really felt like. And the other thing that I liked about it on top of that is that you can actually create collections and create sub-collections underneath those collections. When I was trying to build my website, I was literally trying to find a flaw, and I could not find a flaw. They offer gift cards, they offer an SSL certificate. The fact that you can get unlimited uploads alone is super impressive, and they give you all the basic tools and more to get started. Why not try it out? Why spend your money? So start with Weebly. That is my very first recommendation to you. I will leave a demo website where you can kind of look at that stuff more in depth, where it'll look more filled to you and look more finished, because I just kind of did this in like 5 minutes and my website does kind of look like crap. So yes, Square Ecommerce / Weebly would be my very first choice to you. So the second one that I'm going to recommend, and I have actually used this one in the past when I was first beginning, is Ecwid. Now the reason why I like Ecwid is you can upload up to 10 products for free before you cap out and have to pay. The reason why I personally liked it was at the time I did not know of any other web host that allowed you to upload up to 10 products for free. And the fact that Ecwid did that was pretty shocking because most places cap you out at 5, like I said. So the big upside is that it offers a lot more products that you can upload than other web hosts. But on the contrary, they don't allow you to have discounts and coupons. You can't have product variations such as different sizes, colors, models, things like that. And there's no inventory tracking. So since there's no inventory tracking, you're probably going to have to do it yourself and rely on an Excel sheet, which is pretty annoying, and you really don't want to do that. So although I do think Ecwid is great to start, it's still my second choice. I think they're still wonderful if you don't want to use Weebly for whatever reason, but I still say Weebly is my #1 choice. So number 3 is Big Cartel. And Big Cartel was actually one that I found out about recently because a lot of people praise it. But for me, it's down towards the bottom because you can only upload up to 5 products on there. So not considering the paid plan, the only features we really have is up to 5 products, only 1 image per product, which I thought was hella stingy. And that's why I put them towards the bottom. But they do allow you to have discounts and promos, and they do allow you to use your own custom domain. Now, reading off their website, I couldn't really understand if you had to pay to connect the custom domain or if you can just connect it on the free plan, but I highly doubt that they allow you to just use it on the free plan, because most places don't really allow that. So Big Cartel is my third option for you. Now, after doing a lot of research, I was looking up Wix and Squarespace and all the other choices out there. And when people say to try these places for free, they mean a free trial. So Wix and Squarespace, they don't actually have free plans. So don't fall for that one, and don't let people tell you that they're free, because they're not. And then the other thing with Wix is they have ads on pretty much every page that you have, and that's just really unattractive to somebody who's going on your website, and they're probably going to think that you're a little bit scammish if they're seeing ads all over the place. So Wix is a fat no for me, and Squarespace is a fat no for me, but you are more than free to do your own research and maybe read up on something that I didn't get to see when I was researching them. And yeah, so outside of considering actual web hosts, the other thing that you can try doing is try to list on a platform like Etsy. Now, when I was on Etsy, the way you were charged for your product was there was just a 20-cent listing fee when you sold the item. Now, I don't know if the rules have changed. They very well could have, because I was doing this a long time ago. But if you're on a tight budget, a lot of platforms like Etsy, Bonanza, they allow you to pretty much list your stuff for free and only pay certain fees when you're selling. You can also try that out other than these 3 choices that I gave you today. And before I end this video, I know some people are going to wonder why I don't recommend Shopify for beginners. Shopify is great. Shopify is full of fantastic back-end tools. They have a lot of analytics that you can see. Pretty much any company that you want to integrate with Shopify is integratable. So that is the beauty of it. But Shopify is really more great for bigger companies. They are a little bit pricier. They start at a base of $30 for a plan and then go up to $80, and then I think $250 or something like that after that. I think they're great, and I think, you know, they have a beast back end. And if you don't want to deal with that headache of transferring all of your stuff from one domain to another, then you could just start with Shopify. I just really don't recommend it. But hey, if you're confident and you know that you're going to do great, then go for it. But even experienced business owners sometimes start with the free ones, because who wants to lose money? So yeah, you should definitely check these all out. Let me know if you guys have any questions below. I will try my best to answer them, and I hope this video helped you out. So as usual, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel to get weekly free content on e-commerce, investing, side hustling, passive income, all that stuff. And thank you guys again so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!